Hi, Happy New Year to everyone. I just want to shoot a quick video and talk to you all about 2014, and if this is 2015, 2016 or whatever year you'll be listening to this in, the same thing applies. Most often than not, in the new year, people tend to make New Year's resolutions. They're joyful, they're happy, like with this new year we've just entered, 2014, for example. People are excited. I hear a lot of people talking about open doors, opportunities they're looking forward to taking hold of and breakthrough in all the areas of where they've been planting in previous years. But I just want to emphasize the word planting. If you're looking forward to going through open doors of opportunities and you've been looking forward to a harvest, you would have had to do some watering and planting in the past. What does this mean to you if you're not a farmer? Well, if you have a job, you expect to be paid. If you plant corn, you expect to reap corn. So if you have not planted corn, for example, if you've not done any work, you should not expect to be paid. That's exactly what I'm talking about. If you're looking forward to breakthrough in 2014, what have you done to prepare yourself in 2013? What opportunities did you grab with both hands? How did you prepare yourself? I read today in Proverbs 19, for the soul to be ignorant is not good. That is, if you do not feed your mind, you do not learn from people who have succeeded in the area you are interested in succeeding in, then how can you grow? How can you expect to succeed? Well, this year I'm so excited because for myself and all those who are interested in building their families and business with me, we have great things in store. This is truly your year of breakthrough, open doors and opportunities. If you're in family, you want your family to grow, you want your family to be nurtured, you have to apply the concepts that have worked for other people. You have to apply the principles that work for everyone. You cannot invent your own. You cannot just make it up as you go along. And if you're in business, and I see them working together, family and business. If you're in business also and you've been networking, you're an affiliate, you're not making money, you're not making enough money, you need to build yourself, you need to grow, you need to learn these things, these principles and concepts that will help you. If you hope and pray for freebies, then you are not going to succeed and go through these open doors in 2014. 2014 is set to be great. It's set to be a mighty harvest for me and all those who have prepared ourselves. If that's you as well, and if you are willing to start even now, it's still going to be great for you. So get started now. Follow the links, and I look forward to meeting up with you, to communicating more with you and sharing great things and insights with you for this year and for the success that you so deserve and you have so looked forward to. Only if you make the effort to take action today. Thank you. Goodbye.